Many a time we see that while we sit for pranayam, breathing exercise or sit for study, we tend to yawn a lot. Why does this happen? Let's understand what is yawning. Welcome to my channel Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. Yawning is an automatic body response to tiredness or stress. Excessive yawning can also be a sign of health conditions like medications or anxiety, insomnia, etc. So people also yawn when they see others yawning. Let's try this. Did you see that? Or even when we read about yawning, we tend to have yawning sensation because it is contagious, right? So guys, do you know when do we yawn? Say for example, you yawn when you are at bed or when we are bored or when we are less active. So basically, we yawn when the brain is less alert. So friends, I want to tell you, as per yogic point of view, there are 5 vayus or panch vayu in the body. They are voluntary in action, that is prana, uppran, udan, saman and vyan. These are the 5 vayus in the body. And I won't tell you in detail about these 5 vayus. We will have another video for this panch vayu. There are 5 uppran, that is involuntary actions, जैसे छींक आना, yawning, blinking eyes, फिर burps, फिर हम hiccups जो लेते हैं, sneezing. So these are taken or governed by 5 uppran, जो कि है नाग, देवदत्त, कुर्म, क्रुकुल and धनंजय. ये 5 उपप्राण है. तो ये 5 उपप्राण है, उसमें से देवदत्त वायु जो है वो कंट्रोल क्या करता है? हमारे यॉर्निंग को. ठीक है. सो हमें क्या करना है? ज्यादा से ज्यादा प्राणायाम की प्रक्रिया करनी पड़ेगी. We need to practice the breathing exercise to increase the ATP level in the body. ATP माने energy in the body and ऑक्सीजन लेवल हमें बढ़ाना है हमारे शरीर में. तो कैसे बढ़ेगा? कपालभाति और अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम द्वारा. ये दोनों प्राणायाम का मैंने अच्छे से वीडियो बनाया है. यू विल फील मोर एक्टिव आफ्टर डूइंग प्राणायाम. Also, there are certain postures you can practice to improve blood circulation, concentration and to bring alertness to the mind. Asanas like ustrasana, camel pose हो गया, salabhasana, locust pose, bridge pose, setu bandhasana should be practiced to bring more awareness. So friends, watch this video till the end because I am going to demonstrate asanas as well as I am going to give you 2 breathing exercises which you should perform to control excessive yawning. So friends, as I said that I'm going to demonstrate the yawning postures. So this is it. So I'm going to start with the first posture is ardh chandrasana or half moon pose. So for that we'll stand up on our mat. Keep some space between your feet. It's at least like 2 foot distance between your feet, toes pointing out. So your right foot pointing out. Inhale, you raise your both the hands to the shoulder line, and while exhaling, we move towards the floor. We try reaching our right palm on the floor and we lift and we shift and we rotate our back leg. We try to keep our hips facing behind. So we open our lungs and it is very good to energize your body and your palms are facing up to the sky. And breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can fold your knee and come back slowly to the center, and then we switch our side. So now we rotate our left foot out and inhale, exhale. We bend towards the floor, towards the ground, and raise your back leg up, and we straighten our down leg and we try to keep our hip. You need to rotate your hip and open up your, both the hip is facing backward. We flex our right foot and breathe. Check your shoulders are in line and stay there. So it's a very good for opening your chest and releasing the tension, and you become more active and alert in this. 2, 3, 4. You can use a block in case if you are beginners, or you can use a bunch of books for supporting your palms, and then you come back slowly to the center and we relax our hands. Now from here moving forward to the second asana is setu bandhasana. As I said that if you are tired and bored and less active, you should perform back bends. So setu bandhasana. For that we'll take a supine posture. Let's lie down on our spine and we keep 1 fist distance between our knees. We place our both the feet on the floor. Nicely take a deep breath in and we try to lift our tummy, our belly up towards the sky. Now there are many variations. Those who can grab their ankles, you can either interlock your fingers and rest your shoulders here. So it helps to invigorating your entire body. It energizes your spine. Also, it opens your chest muscles and help in a respiration. So very good for the awakening body. Breathe. 1, stay here. 2, inhale, exhale. 3, 4 and 5. You slowly rest your spine on the floor and then relax by hugging your knees. So moving forward to the third asana is ustrasana or camel pose. Even that is count in a back bend, which will help you to energize your body. So for this we need to come in a vajrasana position. So come in on your kneeling. Come in a kneeling position where your knees are right underneath your hips and your feet are flat, pointing your toes backward behind. We keep certain distance. So I have seen people keeping their knees too close and very wide knees. So make sure we always align our body, keeping it right underneath our hips. Now, there are 2 variations. Either you can place your palms on your spine, lower back, and try pushing your hip forward, or if you are flexible enough, you can move your both the palms reaching to your heels. So I will be practicing with the reaching the heels. In case that is too much, you can place your palms here and push your hips forward. And inhale, we keep stretching our spine and neck resting behind our shoulders. It's between our shoulders we rest our neck. So this will energize your body. It gives a gentle heart opening effect. Also, it is very good to stimulate your nervous system. So it keeps your brain always active and you are more alert. And stay here for 5 breaths. 1, check your hips, you're pushing in front. 4, breathe in. Also your lungs are expanding, so you have to breathe. 3, 2, And very slowly, 1. First to your head, you bring your palms back to your spine, and while exhaling, you rest in child's pose. Always when we do back bends, forward bend compulsory, relax here. Now one more posture which I'll be demonstrating is locust pose or salabhasana. This is a very effective posture and very important, like if you're really looking for the upper, mid and the lower back stimulation. So let's lie down on our belly, take a prone position. Yeah, and both the hands you can place it underneath your thighs like this. And placing your chin down, we'll do half locust, or we can take ardh salabhasana. Inhale, you raise your right leg up to the sky. We try to stretch our knees and toes pointing back. So feel the stretch here. We try to feel our spine is getting more energized. Breathe. And also this asana will drop off your cortisol level. Those who are more stressful, if you are taking too much of stress, you do this posture daily. Inhale, exhale. So 5 counts, both the legs, and then if you are flexible enough, you bring your both the legs up as well as your hands and your chest lifting up. So breathe. 1, 2, inhale. 3, 4, you can also keep your hands back. 5, and relax your feet, rest your chest and your head down. So dear friends, this locust pose have many variations. So you can either do with the half one, or you can do with both the legs, or you can also include your spine to energize your upper and your mid back. After this asanas, 2 pranayam, you can do it for those who feel too much yawning sensation and feel like they are very tired. So first pranayam is kapalbhati kriya. If you just go and check my kapalbhati and anulom vilom pranayam video, you will have a clear picture like how to do and what are the limitations, what are the benefits, you will understand that. For now, kapalbhati, I will just show you how you have to breathe out. You can combine with these postures. Placing your right palm on your belly just to feel that your stomach is flapping in and out. Inhale, we'll do it for 30 strokes. 1 count, 1 stroke. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. After this kapalbhati kriya, you can add up one more pranayam, that is anulom vilom pranayam, or alternate nostril breathing. For that, we'll take a mudra, that is pranav mudra. You can take it in your right hand. Always use your right hand. Even for this, I have made a video. You can just go and check in a detail, like what is the minor things you need to take care of, like for the limitation and for the benefits, you will understand there more. So we place our right thumb on the right nostril. We inhale always from the left nose. Kumbhak, holding your breath. Exhale from your right nostril. Release your breath out completely. We empty our stomach. And then inhale till your belly. Hold your breath as per your convenience, as per your capacity. exhale from your left nostril. Relax your hands. So friends, this was one cycle of Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Just let me know after practicing the asanas and pranayam, it was useful for a yawning person, or it was useful for the people who get tired very easily, or you feel less active and you feel more fatigueness in the body. Then let me know in the comment section. Till then, stay blessed. Namaste.